Hi guys, this is Mark. I'm going to give you an update on my latest vintage radio restoration project, and this is a 1934 Philco Model 60 that I've been working on and off for the last year or so. And the idea of this project was to get a radio that was in really bad shape, and a lot of the fun of this hobby, of course, is to take something that basically looks like junk and lovingly restore it into something that recreates the original glory of these beautiful old antique radios. So I bought this at the New England Antique Radio Club flea market about a year ago. It was really cheap and it was really rusty and filthy and obviously not in working condition. But it was really satisfying to clean it up and take it apart piece by piece, give it a really good clean and get it going again. And then of course refinishing the cabinet. So I've not quite finished putting it back together. It's just about all done and the chassis is functional again. But I thought it was a good time to put together a little slideshow and give you guys an update on how this is coming along. So I hope you like this.
Morning terrors and my nights of dread. I saw my soul stapled to my bed. It's weighing down on me. It's weighing down on me. My head between my knees, I can't breathe. Pacing around the ashes on my floor. Sometimes I wish I could fly out of the window, weighing down on me. It's weighing down on me. A cold sweat through my arteries, I can't breathe. No one gets it easy. No one gets it easy. I need a 60-foot yacht, some trust fund kids, the promise of a woman in a white bikini, prescription drugs, prescription love, and the miracle to clean up all my dirty martini. I want it easy. I want it easy. I wanna fit in the picture of someone else's dream. Morning terrors and my nights of dread. I get the kind of sun made out of lead. It's weighing down on me. It's weighing down on me. Oh, electroshock therapy. Morning terrors and my nights of dread. Good morning terrors and my nights of dread.